you're uploading your video to YouTube, but someone else wants to use the internet, but it's very slow, so you hear this from across the house. Why the heck the internet isn't working? You decide to pause the upload and resume it later, when no one is going to use the internet. But here is no pause button. Hi, I'm Mr. Green, and today I'm going to show you how you can pause the video upload to YouTube. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. In order to pause the video upload, you need to close the tab in which you started the upload. Hold on, it's saying that if I close the tab, the upload will be cancelled. Just trust me. So, now you click leave. And that's how to pause the upload. To resume, you just open your YouTube Studio. Now, you see that in order to resume the upload, you just need to select the same video file than before. And here we go. It wasn't that difficult, was it? If you have any further questions, comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. See you in the next one.